Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We over here in the big side of the shop. Start walk around, show you what's going on. Went on last week. Missed our Wednesday video. Drake got it done Thursday, I think, but it was forgot about it Thursday evening, and next thing you know, it was Friday, and boom, here it is Saturday. But anyway, let's start here and walk around. 68 still on the lift. If you seen the video yesterday on the DuraSpark wiring, we did crank it. So drive shaft next, and fill it up with antifreeze, transmission fluid, and see what happens. Get it tuned up, running good. Plug off some vacuum leaks and all that. Then get it running smooth and get some exhaust on it. Drake painted the 95 again yesterday. Painted it last week, just didn't turn out like we wanted it. Wasn't happy with it, so if we don't like it, do it again. We want it to look good because be a nice car, and you can see it's a real pretty color. It turned out a whole lot better this time. It took a long time to paint it. I think they started, I know Thursday evening was taping it up, and he got ready Friday to start painting it. I can't remember what time they finished last night. As you can see, the parts turned out real nice. We'll look at the car over here in the booth when we get over that way. And right here's the front bumper cover. Whole lot of pieces to one of those cars. Right there is the bumper cover. Shout out. Right there's the bumper cover for the 17. We did get it, had a couple spots to fix on it. Alan did get it buffed out and shined up. It's sitting out over here. It's sitting right over there. Turned out real nice. Got everything together on it but the rear bumper cover. This car will be for sale pretty soon. See right there. Like I said, we painted, I think, this whole side and the door and the quarter on the other side, and fixing to paint the bumper cover. Let's see here. Got the wagon wood crank run. Jameson come put his airbags in. Well, he put the steering wheel bag in Thursday, I think it was, but the dash bag, we got the wrong cover for it, so we got to try to get a different cover. But he got the steering wheel bag in, got the hood put on, got the fender came in, and got the other fender, so we're ready to carry it over to Robbie to the frame shop now and get that front end pulled over. Edwin's still been working on the 48. It's actually the frames in the trailer out there, got the bed on it, carried it to the muffler shop, and had exhaust put on it. So we'll get it out of the trailer back in here. Be time to move the cab over. 39. I think they've got it. The place is repaired. The sideboards was over there in the other shop. I had a little spot repair on the trunk here. Got it fixed, just about ready for paint. I think just the sideboards and the deck lids off on it. Let's walk in here and look at this Mustang. All right, there's the Mustang, got the paint on it. Like I said, it turned out a whole lot better this time. Sometimes you just gotta step back, reboot. But it turned out a whole lot better. Looks a whole lot better this time. Just had a few spots here and there, and like I said, just wasn't happy with it. And we want one to look good when it's come out here, because when somebody says, "Hey, who painted that?" we want to be proud to hear them say 256 Garage, or we want them proud to be able to say 256 Garage, and somebody say, "Man, that thing looks good." You know, that's what we want. Good word gets around. Bad word gets around a lot faster. But we've had a lot of people look at stuff like that and say, "Man, they do a good job. I wonder what they charge to paint my car." So that's what we like. I think that's about everything. He got the GMC painted. I think it's sitting out here. Hold on. Get around this maze here. Yeah, the GMC. He got the, I believe it was the cab corner and the bed. I can't remember if the bed had to be repaired or not, but he got it painted. It's ready to buff out and be assembled. that's about everything I can think of right offhand. Like I said, got a lot of stuff to do still, a lot of stuff to do next week. So let's get at it. 256 Garage out.